by the player's eyes and tell me what you really see. Ain't never been around a G like me and see I know for sure because the vibe of you feeling me. Add a little candlelight with some Hennessy as the DVD plays and the front room blaze. Staring at the pool, got you lost in the waves. Trying to find the room, got you lost in the maze. Baby girl, take a toast with the host as we roll from the coast. Lay back and recline your feet. She's feeling so good around this oak wood. Impressed by the shining team. Never mind the steam. Ain't nothing but the koozie sizzling right down the hallway. With a special made Orleans and 2 new flat screens sitting on display. Now behind locked doors from the drop close. Hit the spot slow as a carrier. All the way to the top low with the lights low. Plus the bright blue glow of the saltwater aquarium. See this is seldom done. So go and plunge. Open shot the seats of the golden one. Before you take another breath once your closing done. You can't satisfy yourself till you hold the run. So let loose the juice and catch a boost and looch. While I'm knocking your boots and then you popping the cooch. How you ever had a nigga that's better? Knows the truth. I'm a living example what a player is supposed to do. And see you know this too. So hold your cool girl and let go. Close your eyes and visualize a player in between your thighs. Acting bad on the crook note.
Have you ever balled with a player of your dreams? Have you ever? Tell me, can you fall till you fall? Have you ever balled with a player of your dreams? Have you ever? Tell me, can you fall till you fall?
I'm a ball till I fall, taking trips cross seas to make me a star from the West Indies. Got a kind of tipsy after drinking the weed. My lesson of mine was sipping wine on the coast of the beach. Engulfed in your beautiful eyes, feeling the vibe with the moonlight caressing your thighs. Touching with passion, listening while doves cry. That's a falling star zip spot. I make a wish in the midst of this late night mission to please. We can bond with the kiss while I blaze a bleach. Steadily, puffing the weed, feeling the breeze from the night sky. Let me massage your body, rubbing your thigh in a circular motion. As you lay in the nude on the bank of the ocean, with a look of surprise up in your eyes while I'm stroking. Tell me what you came to do.
I came to be with you.
Shit, baby, me too. I'm your chosen few. Experience what I'm giving to you. Now let me contemplate. You the one for me, and I'm the one for you. Had to part many seas, looking for a real woman I can call my boo. Enough of that old whoop-de-whoop. Take a step up in the game with the crook, with them devilish looks. Mr. Mama Lester, more game than what they love of a nutty professor. Flipping back to the 2-door Benz compressor. As the sun comes up and my ties feel rubber. Time for a long good night, cause the mood is right. Perfect in every way, but I still gotta catch a flight. So until we meet again, I'm chucking the deuce, blowing the kiss and pulling off with the player green. I'm a ball to the end.
Have you ever
balled with a woman of your dreams?
Have you ever?
Tell me, can we ball till we fall?
Have you ever?
Have you ever balled with a woman of your dreams?
Have you ever?
Tell me, can we ball till we fall?
You ever had casual sex with a crook who be down to flex? That's what I asked on the phone. Talking about you wanna see a crook player so damn bad, but you're scared cause your man's at home. Baby girl, let me set the tone. Just get out the phone and go and get the keys to the North Star Lac. Chillin' at the crib with the lights on dim. Dom Perignon while I'm blowing on the sack. Oriental rules with the alligator mats. Even got the bar posted up in the back. All I wanna do is just try to get close to you. It's the voice in your head that's provoking you. So go on to do the things that you wanna do. Do you wanna see me bow till I fall? Staring at the paintings that I have on the wall. Wanna be my girl cause you wanna have it all. No dark girl around 6 feet tall, ebony queen, brown skin, do you know what I mean? The kind of woman that'll melt the scene, but she ain't never had a crook and she wanna get a taste of me. On the way to the beach where the crib is at, make way through the outgo fence. I don't wanna brag, but you got me impressed. Coming to my crib in a 2-piece set, rubbing your neck. Sister girl, is you ready for me? Is your body in heat from the words I speak? Take it out quickly, put out the weed, put your legs in the earth, don't be frontin' on me. R. Kelly with the bump and grind is what I gotta listen to while I handle mine. All up in your mouth, got you working your jaws. Living like a crook, I'm about to fall.
Have you ever balled with a player of your dreams? Have you ever?
Tell me, can we ball till we fall?
Have you ever balled with a player of your dreams?